Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties by Dave Pilkey. Chapter the 5th, Great Expectations. Meanwhile... lil'petey! Come out, wherever you are! lil'petey! lil'petey! 2 hours later... Papa and me, by lil'petey. To Papa. Papa and me are in the air. It rained, and Papa and me went into the lab. Papa and me go to our car. Look at Papa's new invention. Papa and me think the same things. The end. What have I done? Meanwhile, 2.0. Wumble.
Oi, what's the problem?
I think the smokestack it's clogged.
Well, you better unclog it before that tank explodes. Oh! Hey, what's this? I'm not sure. It looks like some sort of evil bionic psychokinetic dead fish. But how did it get into that smokestack? And who could be responsible for such thing?
Meanwhile, 3.0. Hey! What are you doing behind that plant? Oh, Dogman! No, wait! No! Stop! You! Yeah! No! Cut it out! You got your butt in my mouth. And you got your tongue in my mouth. Bad doggy! What is wrong with you? Dogman, it's time to go home. I'll see you in the morning. Okay? And no more jumping! I'm getting too old for that stuff. Hey, there's a cow outside, out there, and... No! Get off of me! Stop! You got your tongue in my mouth again. That is so disgusting. I don't think we do report this. Enough! Bad doggy! I was only gone for 10 seconds. Dogman, there's a cat outside. You need to get rid of him. And make it stop it. Hey! And so...
Oh, look, how cute. Let's adopt this kitty. Okay, we could dye her fur pink to match her hair.
And, oh, look, a second one. Well, all right, but on one condition. You must get declawed so you won't wreck our furniture.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, precious. Would you like to live with me? You'll fit right in with my 29 other cats, and we can even make it free. Oh! Ow!
Is that your house? It looks bigger on the inside. Is that your bed? Boing, boing, boing. My bed is up, but your bed is fancy. Boing, 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 boing. Rip.
Triple flippy wama, flippity flippity flip flip wama. Splash, splash, splash. Jump, jump, jump. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Chapter the 6th. A bunch of stuff that happens next. Meanwhile, Club. At last, my 80-hexagen Droid-formigon is complete. Okay, Bob, I need you to scan this comic. Now, go find the kid who made it. And so... Well, I should have known. Don't just stand there. Get him! And so... Hi, Papa. Don't call me Papa. Don't call me Papa. Hey, where's Dogman? Dogman isn't here. Dogman is my friend. Dogman saved me from a bunch of weirdos. Dogman goes, ruff, 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 ruff. Will you cut out? 2 hours later, and then those weird guys want to dye my fur pink. So Dogman goes, then Dogman goes, ruff, ruff, ruff. Ding dong, and Dogman scared them away, and then enough about Dogman! What? Hey, look, it's Dogman. What's your word, kid? Petey, the world's most smartest cat, proudly presents a true story about Dogman. La la la. Hi, I'm Dogman. I'm a big dummy. I like to chase cars and drink out the toilet. It's not funny. I'm gonna go sniff of a dog's butts and what around the dog poop and go take silly lessons so I can be It's not funny. Look who's here. It's Petey. Look at me. I'm so cool, smart, and I'm totally cool. I build awesome robots and other cool stuff. I'm gonna rule the world one day. Hey, do Dogman again. No, Dogman is dumb. Petey is a genius. He is so cool and awesome and handsome. Everyone wants to be like Petey. Just look at that physique. Those massive steels, the other massive pecs. Those abs are steel. Those distinctive cheekbones. You know, if I went so modest, I'd... Oh! Meanwhile... Wing wing!
Hi, Dogman. It's Sarah. How's it going?
Woof!
Oh no, we'll be right over. What's the problem, Dogman? Oh, come on. Let's make some copies and spread them around. Well, what should we do with this dead fish thingy? Let's go get rid of it. We don't want it sticking up the place. Okay. 2 points. Clunk. Oh man. Ding dong ding ding dong ding. Clunk. Uh-oh. That fish's bionic claw punctured the living spray tank. Pretty soon, the whole factory will fill up with living spray. What should we do? Run! And after Dogman was looking for his kitty, Sarah is going to help. Is here to help. And meanwhile, Petey made his invention, and it's called the 80 Droid-formigon hexogen Droid-formigon. But we can call it ADHD for short. But anyway, what happened throughout this book as Flippy came to life in Dogman. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell, because we have 13 subscribers. And so you can subscribe to us so we can go to 14 extreme. And like this video, hit the bell notification so you can know when the video will come out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.